Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Engineering Educators, engineering in an engineered way. Before start, I would like to request you all like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I am Pritham with you. Today I will discuss Staff Selection Commission SSC JE for Mechanical question sheet day of 27th January 2018 morning 1. So let's start. First question, which of the following is not the type of incompletely constrained motion? So which is, actually they want to say which is constrained motion among the options. So let's see the constrained one. So from first option is shaft with collar. So here is shaft with collar. So that means suppose those are two collars. So shaft with collar means shaft can rotate in unidirectional motion. So what is constrained motion? By which we can get a desired unidirectional motion. So here, yes, from that shaft we can get one single unidirectional motion. Yes, option 1 is correct answer. So shaft in footstep bearing. So here that is the, if suppose it's the shaft and it's a footstep bearing, so here force will applied F. So here also we can get a unidirectional motion only. So option 2 is also correct. Then option 3 is shaft, a square bar hole, square bar in square hole. So if it is a square bar, here its area is square in square hole, it is within the square hole. So it, you can see easily it can only move in that direction only, in that direction only. So it's also a unidirectional motion. So it's also correct answer. So option 3 or option 4, all the options are correct. It will be the final correct option. So let's come to question 2. What are the number of binary and ternary joint in that kinematic chain? So here you can see for D, pair D, here two links are there. Those are the two links connected to D point. So it's a D is a binary joint. Here as also A, in case for A, here two links are adjust to point A, so it's also a binary joint. And in case for B point, here you can see it's also two link connected with two links, so it's also a binary joint. But in case for C and E, you can see here three links are adjust to that point. Here also three links, so three. So ultimately we can say here two ternary joint and three binary joint are present here. So option 3 will be the correct answer for that question. Let's come to next question. Question 3, how many degree of freedom does the mechanism so below has? So here they simply asked about degree of freedom for that mechanism. So we know from Kutzbach equation, F is equals to 3 into L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus FR. So L is number of link, L is number of link, J is number of joint, H is number of higher pair, and FR is non-desirable motion. FR is come when non-desirable motions come to picture. So here you can see that is a non-desirable motion here, because it's a sliding pair, link with sliding pair. Here without giving any input, you can see that link will automatically slide toward that direction. So it is a undesirable motion. So here number of undesirable motion is 1 and number of link is 1, it's 2, it's 3, and fixed link count as a single link, so 4 number of link. And number of joint is 1 sliding pair, 2 sliding, here 2 sliding pair, here 3 binary pair, and 4 pair. So number of joint is also 4. So and H, no higher pair exists here, so H is ultimately 0. So finally we will get F is equals to 3 into 4 minus 1 minus 2 into J, that is 4, minus H is equals to 0, number of higher pair is 0, minus FR is 1, undesirable motion is 1. So ultimately we will get the value is 0. So option 1 is the correct answer. Let's come to question 4. The minimum number of link required for a kinetic pair consists of, it's 2. You can see it's a one kinetic pair. For that kinetic pair, minimum number of link required is 2. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Let's come to next question. The angular acceleration and the moment of inertia of the flywheel is 0.6 radian per second square and 2500 kg per meter square respectively. What is the difference in kinetic energy of the flywheel after 5 seconds and 10 seconds from the start? So we know energy, difference in energy, that is E del E is equals to half into I into omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. So you can see here omega 1 and omega 2 is not given, but we can say omega is equals to alpha into T. We can write that. So T1 and T2 we know, for omega 1 T1 and for omega 2 T2. So ultimately we will get half into I, value of I is 2500 and omega 1 is here 0.6 into into 10 whole square and minus omega 2 is 0.6 into 5 whole square, bracket close. So after calculating that value, we'll get option 1 is the correct answer, 33.75. Let's come to next question. The tension of the tight side and the slack side of the belt is T1 and T2 respectively, with the linear velocity v. Which expression is most suited for the maximum power transmission by the belt? So P, power is equals to, we know, force into velocity. Here force is equals to T1 minus T2, tight side minus slack side. So option 1 will be the correct answer for that question. Let's come to next question. Question 7. The Whitworth quick return motion mechanism is the inversion of. You can simply see here a single slider exists here. No another slider is exist in that mechanism here up to that point. That is the mechanism actually, not this portion. This portion is the input portion. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 and that link and that bar, it's 4. Number of link is 4 here. So it's a 4 bar single slider crank mechanism. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's come to next question 8. Which of the following is not the inversion of double slider crank mechanism? Here old hand coupling is a double slider crank mechanism. Stockyards mechanism also a double slider crank mechanism. Elliptical terminal is also a double slider crank mechanism. But pendulum pump, you can see that is the slider here. It's a single slider crank mechanism. So here option 2 is the correct answer for that question. That is the figure actually. So let's come to the next question. 9. Which of the following theory is used in the design of clutch when the friction linings are new? So here from here we can say uniform pressure theory is the correct answer for new friction lining, because new friction lining here contact surfaces are not wear out, so here pressure will be distributed uniformly. So for that reason uniform pressure theory will apply, but for old friction lining uniform wear theory will be applicable. So here option 1 is the correct answer for 9. So let's come to next question. The equation for the calculation of torque transmitting capacity in the conical clutch as per the uniform pressure theory. So here option 3, it's a formula. Option 3 will be the correct answer. Mu p divide 3 sin alpha d cube minus small d cube divide d cube minus capital D cube. It's a formula, remember it. Let's come to next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the contact ratio? So let's see what is contact ratio. CR is equals to arc of contact divide PC circular pitch and again circular p is equals to, we know, m into pi. M is module. So according to the option, module is inversely proportional, as you can see, proportional to contact ratio. Arc of contact is directly proportional to contact ratio. So here ultimately we can say option 2, directly proportional to module, it's incorrect. So option 2 will be the correct answer, as they have said about incorrect option. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Next question 12. The gear ratio is defined as the ratio of, so gear ratio, its formula is equals to speed of pinion to speed of gear, also is equals to teeth of gear to teeth of pinion. So here option 1 will be the correct answer, number of teeth on gear to that of pinion. So let's come to next question 13. Which of the following statement is correct about the height of simple word governor? So let's see, the formula of height is equals to 895 for word governor divide n square. N is the speed. So here option 4, inversely proportional to the square of the speed, is the correct answer. So let's come to question 14. The main part of the river does not involve with the following part. As you can see, it's in head, shank and tail here exist here, and point is about the pivot point. So only the option 3, thread, is not exist here. So option 3 will be the correct answer for that question. Next question. Which of the correct option regarding the effect of forces acting on the body? So you can see internal stresses, as force is applied, then obviously internal stress will generate. Balance of other force acting on is, yes, it's also correct. Retard its motion, yes, force can retard a motion, or force can make the stationary object to movable object. So it is also correct. So here option 4, all the options are correct. The dimensional formula of force. Dimensional formula of force is equals to mlt to the power minus 2. That is option 2 is the correct answer. So let's come to next question 17. The profile of a gear having circular pitch of 52 millimeter, length of arc of contact is 80 millimeter. Determine the module and the contact ratio for the gear profile. So arc of, determine the module, and okay, then so here you can see PC is given, that is circular pitch, is equals to 52 millimeter. That is also we know is pi into m. M is module. So from here we will get m is equals to 16.59 16.55. That will be the answer. So and now the contact ratio, arc of contact, that is it arc of contact, contact ratio, that is our contact ratio. Contact ratio is, we know, arc of contact and divide PC. So arc of contact here it's 80 divide 52. So after calculating that, option 3, 1.54, that is will be the correct answer. So next question 18. Which is the correct option for the movement of a body? So a body to be a move, so here external applied force must be greater than force of friction, then only body can move. If the reverse will happen, that is option 3, that is option 3, if if the frictional force is greater than the applied force, then body remain in static condition. So here option 2 will be the correct answer. Next question. Which is the SI unit of the work or energy? Actually SI unit of work is joule. So we can again say joule is equals to kg meter square per second square, and formula of work done is equals to force into distance. That is the formula. So let's come to next question 20. Strain energy theory was postulated by. So remember here ranking means maximum principal stress theory. Guess and Tresca is maximum shear stress theory, and Hague is the total strain energy theory, that is Hague, and Sandvand is total Sandvand is maximum principal strain theory, that is Sandvand. So here option 2 will be the correct answer. Let's come to next question. Sorry. So here the equivalent length of column when both the ends are hinged. Here option 1 will be the correct answer for both the end hinged. For both the end, for both fixed end, that is half, then half will be the correct answer. So here option 1 will be the correct answer. And here question 22, LE by K minimum. LE by K minimum expression. So its cylinderness ratio, that is actually LE by K, ratio of LE by K. So here option 2 will be the correct answer. So for today we will end here. So in the next day I will upload some more question in my next part of video. So stay with us, stay updated. So thank you.